Hi everyone and welcome to the channel. Let's talk about how much I made from KDP in the month of January. This is pretty exciting because I have been putting a little bit of work in during the later part of last year, and my total amount for January so far is... So in January I have sold several books so far, giving me a total of $20 Australian. Now, that's pretty damn good. Now, I started KDP a couple of years ago, so when you look across my whole lifetime of being on KDP, this is how much I've managed to earn. So I started KDP in March of 2023, and from that time until this point, which is the 28th of January in 2026, I have made a total of $269.91 across all 128 books that I have on the platform. The interesting thing now is, though, once you have a number of books, you can see what trends are picking up and which books are actually giving you the most bang for buck. In my case, it's actually the colouring in books that are doing incredibly well, so it'll be interesting to see if this trend continues as we move through 2026 this year. Not bad for someone who's working full-time and doesn't always have the additional time needed to be able to put the effort into these books, but I can start to see things paying off. I am also noticing that things are starting to pay off now that I am getting away from those low content book areas, actually spending some time in making some quality books. So that's pretty cool. So on my channel you would have seen me put up a video just recently about my latest book, which is the Paper Lovers book. It took me 2 months to make this one. So a low content book might take you about, a couple of hours, but that certainly took a lot more effort, and if somebody's going to purchase that and enjoy that, I'm going to feel really quite confident that they're going to, because I am pretty proud of that particular book, and that's what I'm doing with a lot of my books now. I'll show you another one just while I've got you here. So this is the other one that I am particularly proud of, and it's 25 projects that I have featured across the channel, and I'm just going to show you a couple of different pages, and it is a step-by-step book of things that I may or may not have had up on the channel in this book format. The only problem with these books is that they are very, very expensive because they are printed on premium quality paper, so I cannot get the prices down on those through Amazon. At the moment I'm listing them, and I think I make maybe $3 on this one, $5 on that one, which I thought was fair. So what I am doing is putting up some digital versions of those PDFs up on my Etsy store, which I've just opened up. I've called it Matilda Pepperberry. So they can be downloaded as standalone PDFs and used in that way. So the plan for 2026, what am I up to? Well, I'm going to continue making KDP books. I am going to focus on books that have got a lot more quality within them. I'm going to really focus in on the crafting component of KDP because that is what I'm interested in, and I think I can bring a lot to that. And I'm going to see how that one goes. And in the meantime, I'm also putting a little bit of effort into uploading some digital content that can be downloaded onto the other platforms, whether that's my Payhip or Etsy. So I'm not quite sure how all that's going to pan out for 2026, but stay tuned and we'll do another update in February. So thanks for sticking around watching this very, very short update today, and I will see you in the next video.